Take a look at this. Have you ever seen a lighter that's been buried underground for over 100 years restored to its former glory? This young man bought this treasure from a scrapyard for just 1 yuan. When he purchased it, it was completely dilapidated, exuding an ancient aura with over 100 years of history. To most people, this is just a piece of rusty iron, garbage you wouldn't even want to touch. But in his eyes, this isn't just scrap, it's a work of art, with every detail full of charm. As a restoration specialist, he decided to showcase his expertise and bring this century-old lighter back to life. What will this worn-out lighter look like after restoration? Let's wait and see together. The entire process is incredibly satisfying. If you love restoration videos, you definitely don't want to miss this. To complete this project as soon as possible, he's been working continuously for 10 hours. It's really hard work. Can anyone identify what model this century-old lighter is? Feel free to share in the comments. As the saying goes, giving a heart is a courtesy, not giving one is fine too. Since you've watched this far, I'm sure you won't be stingy with a heart. Your support is what motivates craftspeople to keep creating. Many thanks. We're approaching the end of the video. Let's appreciate the final result together. Are you amazed? It's absolutely beautiful. What do you think of his craftsmanship? Out of 10, how many points would you give? Feel free to comment below. I share more restoration videos daily. See you next time. Thanks for watching.